Deep in the rainforests of Central and South America, something amazing happens. These lush green expanses are home to some of the most vibrant and fascinating creatures on Earth. Bright blue, sunny yellow, these are the manakins, tiny dancing birds of the jungle. Their colors are so vivid they almost seem to glow in the dim light of the forest. Don't think they're not important because they're small. Despite their size, they play a crucial role in the ecosystem, helping to pollinate plants and spread seeds. These birds are masters of charm, wowing their mates with amazing moves. Their courtship dances are a spectacle, a blend of acrobatics and elegance. Imagine a world where romance is full of color and sound. The manakins create this world with their vibrant displays and melodious calls, where the rustling leaves are like music for a fancy dance. Every movement, every sound is part of a grand performance. This is the world of the manakins, a world where every day is a dance and every dance is a chance to shine. Each type of manakin is like a special actor in nature's big theatre. They each have their own unique dance moves and songs, making them stand out in the crowded forest. From the bright blue of the blue-backed manakin, whose feathers shimmer like sapphires, to the fiery orange of the red-capped manakin, which blazes like a tiny flame in the underbrush. Their feathers are as different as their dances. Each species has its own signature style, a unique way of captivating an audience. These birds are living jewels, sparkling amidst the green foliage, their feathers shining like precious stones under the trees. They are a testament to the beauty and diversity of life in the rainforest, and just like jewels, they're amazing to see. Their presence adds a touch of magic to the jungle, making it a place of wonder and enchantment. The male manakin is a real show-off. In the dense forests where they live, these small birds stand out with their vibrant displays. His feathers are like a special costume made to impress. Each feather is meticulously designed, with colors that can range from bright yellows and reds to deep blues and greens. Every color, every pattern is perfectly designed to attract a mate. The intricate designs on their feathers are not just for show. They play a crucial role in their courtship rituals. But it's not just about how they look. Their movements are equally important. The male manakin performs elaborate dances showcasing his agility and strength. These birds are athletes, their bodies built for speed and perfect moves. They leap, twist and turn with incredible precision, making sure every move is noticed by potential mates. Their wings aren't just for flying, they make sounds too. The manakin's wings can produce a variety of noises, from snaps to clicks, adding another layer to their performance. With snaps, clicks and whirs, they make music without singing, each type of manakin with its own special rhythm. This unique ability sets them apart from other birds. This is how they find love, a mix of what you see and what you hear. The combination of visual and auditory signals creates a mesmerizing display that is hard to ignore. Some manakins have long tail feathers that move like a paintbrush on the green forest. These feathers add an extra flair to their already impressive displays. Others have special wing bones that make clicking sounds, like their bodies are instruments. This adaptation is a marvel of nature, showcasing the diversity of the manakin species. It's amazing how different they all are. Each species of manakin has its own unique set of behaviors and physical traits, making them one of the most fascinating groups of birds. Every little detail, from their beak to their tail, is part of their special dance. The precision and grace of their movements are a testament to the wonders of evolution. It shows how powerful nature is, where being beautiful and skillful helps you survive. In the world of the manakin, beauty and skill are not just for show, they are essential for life. The rainforest floor is their stage, but they don't dance just anywhere. These birds are very particular about their performance spaces. Male manakins go to special areas called leks, open areas where everyone can see them. These leks are like natural stages, perfectly set for their elaborate displays. Here, where the sun shines through the trees and the insects buzz, the competition begins. The atmosphere is electric, filled with anticipation. Each male has his own little spot, his own dance floor. It's a carefully chosen location, often cleaned and prepared meticulously. It's where he practices his moves, gets ready and waits for the females. Every flick of the wing, every hop is rehearsed to perfection. You can feel the excitement. The air is thick with the energy of their performances. The females watch from the side like judges in a dance contest. They observe every detail, every movement. They're looking for the best dancers, the most interesting performers. It's important. The stakes are high and the competition is fierce. For the males, it's a chance to have babies, to make sure their family continues. Their future depends on their performance. For the females, it's about picking the best dad for strong, healthy chicks. They need to ensure the best genes for their offspring. It's a very important decision that looks like a dance. But behind the beauty of the performance lies the critical choice of survival and continuation of the species. It's a tough competition, but the males don't always fight. Some manakins, like the long-tailed manakin, work together. Two males, a leader and a helper, team up to attract a female. Their dance is perfectly timed, a mix of jumps and flips. The leader is in charge, but the helper is important too. They move together so well, they look like one bird. This teamwork might seem strange, but it helps both of them. The helper might become a leader someday, and the leader looks even better to the females with the helper there. It shows how complicated animal behavior can be, how even rivals can work together. Even when everyone wants to win, there's still room for teamwork. Section 5. The popcorn dance. Manakins have lots of dances, but the white-collared manakin's popcorn dance is special. Imagine a tiny bird smaller than your thumb, jumping like a little rocket. That's the popcorn dance. The male sits on a branch and jumps up and down so fast he's almost a blur, and he makes a buzzing sound like a tiny motor. It's funny and amazing, and it shows how strong and energetic he is. And it works. Females love this energetic dance. The popcorn dance is just one example of how many different dances manakins do. Each type has its own special way to impress a mate. It's a world where dancing is everything. Section 6. Moonwalking birds. If you thought only people could moonwalk, think again. Deep in the rainforest, the club-winged manakin dances like Michael Jackson. These birds are amazing dancers. Their secret, special wing feathers that rub together, making a sound like a violin. But it's not just the sound, it's how they move. They take quick steps back and forth, gliding along their branch. It's strange and beautiful, and it shows how even tiny details can change over time. And it works. Females love these skilled dancers and their special music. The moonwalking manakin shows us how surprising nature can be. Even the strangest animals can be great dancers. Section 7. The language of dance. The manakin's dances aren't just pretty. They're a way to talk, to send messages about how strong and healthy a male is. Every jump, every spin, every wing snap tells a story. The females watch carefully, looking for a good mate. They want strength, speed, energy, things that will help their babies survive. And they want something special, something that makes a male stand out. The males are always trying new moves, trying to get the females' attention. It's like a competition where the best dancers win. This back and forth between males and females is what changes animals over time. Even in the rainforest, the dance of life goes on. Section 8. Passing on the beat. The manakin's dances aren't just about staying alive. They're about teaching the next generation how to survive. Young males watch and copy the older dancers. They practice their moves, getting ready for their turn to dance. It's like passing down stories, but with dance instead of words. It shows that humans aren't the only ones with culture. Animals learn from each other too. The manakins and their amazing dances show how important learning is in nature. They show that even in the hardest places, life finds a way to celebrate and keep going. Section 9. A final bow. As we leave the rainforest, let's remember the manakins. These little dancers with their bright colors and amazing moves remind us how beautiful nature is. Their dances show how powerful nature is, how creative life can be. They show us that even in hard times, there is beauty, and life finds a way to celebrate. So next time you're feeling down, think of the manakins dancing in the rainforest. Let their energy make you happy, remind you that there's always a reason to dance. Let their story remind us to protect the places where these amazing creatures live. Because when we protect them, we're not just saving animals, we're saving a beautiful part of our planet, a world of rhythm and beauty that should be here forever.